Have you finally had enough of your Fire Stick, your streaming device? Are you moving on to a new device? Have you got other Fire Sticks in your house and you've got apps on one Fire Stick which work and maybe they don't work on another Fire Stick? You might have apps on your Fire Stick which may not work on your Fire Stick but will work on a new device, and you want to get those apps off your Fire Stick because you've had enough of how your Fire Stick is working. What I'm going to show you today is how you can upload a file or files from your Fire TV Stick, your current device. This will actually work on any device, but this video is specifically from Fire Stick to another device, and we'll install it on that other device without using a hard drive, without using a PC. We're going to do it from device to device, and I'll make it really simple, okay? So this will be a nice step-by-step guide. So if you're brand new here, make sure you hit that follow button, and we're going to start on a Fire Stick, and I'm going to install the applications onto an NVIDIA Shield, okay? But you can install it onto a Fire Stick again, or whichever second device. So on your first device, the device you are wanting to get the app off of, the one you are wanting to get away from or move your apps off of, which may work, you're going to install the application called FireSend. I know many of you would have heard of FireSend already, but you may not know this is how it works and what you can do with it. So you're going to install FireSend. So go to your magnifying glass, search FireSend, FireSend. Click it, and you can install it, okay? Get it installed, and let's do a little step just to make sure your device is ready to transfer files, because it should prompt you to do this next step, but just in case it doesn't, let's do it manually so you're ahead of the game and it will always work. So you've got it installed. You're then going to go to your settings. Once you are in your settings, you're going to go to where it says My Fire TV. You will click on About, and you will click the top option 7 or 8 times, okay? And what you'll see at the bottom, it's saying no need, you're already a developer, or it'll be saying you are now a developer. Once it says you are now a developer, or if it already says that, you can go back one screen and you will have this option, Developer Options. You click it and you turn on Install Unknown Apps. You need to turn that on for FireSend, okay? This will allow, in the future, you to install apps, and it will help allow any access to applications, okay? So let's just get that turned on. So if you want to install anything either way, you know how the FireSend app works. That process will be used on both devices, but for now, we've got it turned on. So you need to find your FireSend app now. So back from the home screen, search for your FireSend app. You've already installed it. You either find it on your home screen, or you go to your settings, My Apps, and you will find FireSend in here. The nice purple logo. It's either here or it'll be in one of these here. You find it, and we're going to open it up. What this will do, this will open up the latest version onto your dashboard. The dashboard is just like a display of what's going on your device. You don't need to click on that. What you need to do is go to where it says Rooms and Share, and we're going to do 24-hour quick sharing. This will allow us to upload some apps to a room. So click on that, and here you can decide the app you want to move, okay? So, I don't know, for example's sake, let me find one I can move. I'll move Just Watch TV. So we click it. It's creating the room with Just Watch TV and uploading. There we go. Once it's uploaded, what you'll see, let me just move my head. We'll go down here. You will see at the top there, you've got a room number. That's a number you must remember. So mine is 89983. This isn't your room number. You will have your own room number. Okay? Mine is 89983. And if you want to upload another app to it, you can click on Upload More. And it should allow us to upload another app to the same room. So I'll pick another one. Just be patient with it. The app is very busy at the moment, so if things run a little bit slow, don't multiply keep spamming the click button or hitting the click button. Just wait and be patient. So this one will upload. There we go. And we now have 2 apps in our room. So my room is 89983. You will have your own room. So what you need to do now is fire up your other device. So I'm going to swap to a completely different device. And remember, that is my code, not your code. You will have your own code. So I'll be back in a second once I swap devices. So I have now loaded up an NVIDIA Shield. And this is an Android TV box. You could load up a Google device next. You could do another Firestick again. And on that next device, what you're going to need to do is go and find the FireSend app. So back to your app store, wherever one you're in. So I will just go to apps. I can go to get more apps on this device, open Google Play Store. Once my Play Store opens, I can search for FireSend. I can either use the search at the magnifying glass there, or I can, if I go to tools, it's one of the highest ones anyway. Highly searched these days. So you just search FireSend, whichever device you're on. If I can spell. There we go. We use the magnifying glass. FireSend. Again, you can click it and install it. This one's got an update, so I'm just going to push the update because I haven't used this device for a while. Okay, so once you've got it installed, you can open. Again, you may need to allow install from unknown sources. If you remember, we've done that at the beginning of the video, but it should prompt you to do it anyway. And here we have it. My bad on this one, I haven't turned on my VPN, but I'm going to go to that room. And I'm going to join the room I had, which was 89983. I'll push enter. I will join that room. And what you'll see is those two apps, which I uploaded off my Firestick, are now available on this new device. So let me download the app cloner. If it pops up, it might pop up to allow permissions. This is what people do, is not allowing install from unknown sources. So download complete. Do you want to install this application? Boom. Installed. So that's now gone from my Firestick to my NVIDIA Shield. You could have moved it from your Firestick to a Firestick. You can either keep that file you install or delete it, completely up to you. But you've been moved from device to device, which makes it so easy. You didn't have to wire the computer, you didn't have to do anything else, you just use one app. That is only useful if you wanted to move your devices around, okay? As in, if you've had enough of one device, or some people are finding at the minute they've got a streaming app which works on some devices because it's an older version, not updated, so it's not blocked. They want to upload that and download it onto their other devices. So it's there to make your life easier. Brilliant. I will be running through some videos for the NVIDIA Shield again going forward, so if any of you have one, we will be getting a few more of them out. We've done a few recently, and we will be doing a few more. I hope you like that one. If you need any links, check underneath. Find me on my socials, or you can comment VPN or find the VPN link underneath as well to keep yourself safe online.